Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the SSD in your HP Pavilion 5BC450RE-NS. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it, as this will prevent any accidental power surges during the process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. As you lift the panel, you may notice some dust accumulation inside. It's a good idea to clean this out with compressed air to ensure optimal airflow and performance. Now locate the M.2 SSD slot. You will see a small screw holding the existing SSD in place. Remove this screw with your Phillips screwdriver. Gently pull the SSD out of its slot at a slight angle. If you're upgrading to a new SSD, ensure it is compatible with your laptop model. Insert the new M.2 SSD into the slot at the same angle you removed the old one. Once it's securely in place, replace the screw to hold it down. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. After securing the SSD, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping. Before powering on your laptop, it's advisable to perform a quick check. Ensure that the SSD is properly seated and that there are no loose screws or components inside. If you're unsure, our service includes collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. Now, power on your laptop. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure that the new SSD is recognized. To do this, press the appropriate key during startup, usually F10 or ESC depending on your model. Once in the BIOS, navigate to the storage section to confirm that your new SSD appears. If everything looks good, exit the BIOS and boot into your operating system. You may need to format the new SSD before use. This can be done through the Disk Management tool in Windows. Right-click on the new drive and select Format, following the prompts to complete the process. Finally, if you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Enjoy the enhanced performance of your HP Pavilion 5BC450NS with your new SSD. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.